There is a YouTube channel called Bible Chronicles Animation that has gained 336,000 subscribers with just 30 videos and over 8.2 million total views, and almost every video gets millions of views by simply telling Bible stories. In today's video, I will show you how to create the exact same type of story video using just one AI tool. Making these videos is now extremely easy because you don't need multiple tools, you don't need to take scripts from chatbots, and you don't need to visit different websites for images, videos, or voiceovers. All you have to do is paste a short idea, and the video is created for you. I made this entire video in just 2 minutes, and you can see the final result to understand what you'll be able to create after watching this video.
In the quiet night, Mary and Joseph journeyed to Bethlehem. The road was long, but their hearts held faith and hope. In the crowded town, every door was closed to them. At last, a humble stable welcomed the promised child, Jesus. Angels filled the sky, telling shepherds of the good news. They came with awe, and peace shone over the newborn king.
The results are very impressive, and this is possible using an AI tool called FocalML. With FocalML, you can instantly create Bible story videos like Bible Chronicles Animation or Bible in a Nutshell. And not just that, you can also create movies, TV shows, and faceless YouTube videos in any niche. FocalML gives you access to multiple AI image and video generation models in one place, allowing you to create complete videos from start to finish without showing your face. And in this video, I will teach you exactly how to do that using FocalML. To make a Bible video or any other type of video for any YouTube niche, you first need a prompt or a basic idea. For that, you need to go to ChatGPT. I've pasted a prompt here, and you'll find the link to this prompt in the description below, so make sure to check it out. This prompt will help you generate ideas for your videos. You can create videos based on these ideas, customize the prompt, or even write your own prompts to match your style. I've pasted this prompt into ChatGPT and clicked on the Generate button. Since I want to make a Bible story video, ChatGPT has given me 10 Bible story video ideas. You can choose any idea from the list and create a video around it. I'm choosing the first idea. You can copy just the title, or you can copy the entire prompt with all the details. I've copied the title for now. After copying the title, you first need to go to FocalML using the link in the description below. Once you click the link, the website will open in front of you. First, you need to sign up and log in. Click on the Get Started button in the top corner, then select Continue with Google and sign up using your Google account. After completing the login process, the main interface will appear on your screen. From here, we will generate the video. On the home screen, you will see the Home option, and below that, you need to click on the All Projects section. In this section, all the projects you have created will be displayed in front of you. After that, click on New Project, and a new screen will open in front of you. Here, select the option called From Any Idea. You will then see 3 options that allow you to generate a video using an idea, a script, or a JSON prompt. You can simply paste a short idea or write a brief prompt. You can create a video by pasting a full script, or you can generate a video by using a JSON prompt, and the tool will automatically turn it into a complete video. Once you enter your idea, move to the next option where you can select the length of the video. You can choose any duration you want, and for this example, I am selecting a short video length of 45 seconds to show how quickly a complete video can be generated. After that, click on the plus icon and go to the Model section. Open the Image subsection and choose the Nano Banana model from the available AI image generation options. Then, click on the plus icon again, return to the Model section, and go to the Video subsection. From here, select the VO3 model. Click the plus icon one more time. Navigate to the Voice section and choose a voice model from 11 Labs. You can also select your preferred language by clicking on the English option. Once all these components are selected, click the Generate button. Then click the arrow button to initiate the complete video creation process. A new interface will open that resembles a chat box, where the video generation will occur step by step. You will need to wait a moment in this new interface while FocalML processes your request. Once it's ready, the project settings will be displayed. First, select your aspect ratio. I am choosing 16:9, the standard for YouTube, but you can select any ratio based on your preferences. Next, set the language to English. Then select your desired video duration. You can also choose the audio style, opting for either dialogue or narration. After this, proceed to the advanced settings. Here, you can customize the caption style. Below that, click on the Image Models section and select your preferred model, such as Nano Banana. Then, in the Video Models section, choose your model. There are many AI video generation models available. For this example, I am selecting Veo 3. Finally, scroll down to find the option to start the generating video. Click on it, and your video will begin generating. After this, FocalML will take a little time to process, and then the main editing interface will open in front of you. From this interface, your video will start generating. You need to wait for a short while, and the video clips will begin appearing on the timeline. From here, you can also view and adjust different settings, as well as see the characters used in the video. All these options will be visible on the right side of the screen, allowing you to easily make changes if needed. After waiting for some time, your entire video will be automatically generated and fully visible on the timeline. You can preview your video by clicking the play button to check the visuals, sound, and overall flow. If you want to change or add anything in the video, you can simply use the chat. In this chat box, you can type what you want to edit, modify, or add, and the video will update accordingly. Once the video is ready, click on the transition button, where you will find different transition templates that you can easily apply to your entire video. After applying transitions, click on the caption button. From here, you can edit the captions by changing the text, color, font, and overall style according to your preference. After this, preview your video by playing it from start to finish. If you notice any mistakes or want to change anything, you can easily do that by typing your instructions in the chat box, just like chatting with ChatGPT, and the video will update accordingly. Once everything looks good, you will see the export button below the video. Click on it, select the simple video option in MP4 format. Choose your preferred resolution such as 720p, and then click on the export button. Your video will start exporting, and once the process is complete, the final video will be automatically downloaded to your device. You will find the link to FocalML in the description below, where you can sign up and start your own Faceless YouTube channel. When you sign up and log in to FocalML, you receive free starting credits, and after that, you can choose a paid plan based on your needs. The free plan costs nothing per month and includes limited credits with no video generation or exports. The personal plan costs $20 per month and gives 2,000 monthly credits, allowing you to generate up to 2,000 seconds of video with access to the best models and commercial use. The standard plan costs $40 per month and offers 4,500 monthly credits with access to advanced models like Veo and Cdance for commercial use. The Pro plan costs $100 per month and provides 15,000 monthly credits, allowing you to generate up to 15,000 seconds of video with full access to premium models and commercial usage.